The humans are at it again, Luna. Flashing lights, loud booms. Another fireworks season.
Oh, Milo, don't be so grumpy. Fireworks are magical. They light up the sky like tiny stars dancing. Let's go outside. It's the best view from the garden bench.
If by best you mean loud and sparkly, sure.
Look at that. Isn't it breathtaking?
Single quotes as they're not terrible. I guess the blue ones are kind of nice.
See, told you. Sometimes you just have to stop and enjoy the moment.
All right, you win. This is not so bad.
Happy fireworks season. Milo!
Happy fireworks season, Luna.